First at 5, the so-called fetal heartbeat bill is heading to Governor Phil Bryant's desk. This bill would ban abortion in cases where a fetal heartbeat is detected as early as 6 weeks if it passes into law. It could become one of the strictest abortion laws in the country. The bill does provide an exemption for medical emergencies, but those emergencies do not include rape or incest. Governor Bryant took to Twitter shortly after the announcement. He wrote, quote, "Thank you to the Mississippi legislature for protecting the unborn by passing the heartbeat bill, also known as Senate Bill 2116, and sending it to my desk for signature. I look forward to signing it very soon," end quote. Another big supporter of the bill, Lieutenant Governor Tate Reeves, also responded to the decision. He tweeted, quote, "In Mississippi, we value life. We defend the innocent unborn. Today, the heartbeat bill got its final passage in the Senate, and we sent a message. The people pushing unlimited abortion will not win. We will do the right thing and protect our children," end quote.